Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I'm drawing healthy vegetables. Let's draw in color together. Let's draw potato. Hi, I am potato. I am a vegetable that grows underground. I am a root vegetable and has a brown skin with white, yellow or even purple flesh inside. You can boil me, mash me, bake me or make me into yummy fries and chips. I give your body energy because I have healthy carbohydrates. It means I can help you play, run and learn better. I have vitamin C which helps you stay healthy and fight off colds. I have vitamin B6 which helps your brain work. I have potassium which is good for your muscles and help your body stay balanced. Do you like potato? If yes, please comment below. Let's draw and color eggplant. I am shiny purple vegetable that grow on a plant. In some countries, I am called brinjal. I am round or long and have smooth skin. Inside the flesh is light colored with tiny seeds. I am very healthy and have vitamins and fiber that help you grow strong and stay healthy. I am rich in powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and keep your body strong. draw and color beetroot. I am beetroot. I am bright red maroon or purple vegetable that grows underground. I am a root vegetable, looks like round root with green leaves on top. I am super healthy. It gives your body iron which helps make your blood strong. I have vitamin and fiber to help with digestion and keep you full of energy. You can eat me in salads, boiled, roasted, or even as juice. I am not just healthy, it's fun and colorful too. I help your heart, brain, and tummy stay happy and strong. Let's draw and color tomato. I am tomato, bright red fruit and vegetable both. I am treated as a vegetable because of my tangy sour taste. I am not sweet as a fruit. I am round or oval and come in many colors like red, yellow, orange and even purple. I am very healthy and have vitamin C to keep you from getting sick, vitamin A for your eyes and antioxidant that protect your body. People like to eat tomatoes in many ways, raw in salads, cooked in sauces or pizza, in soup and even as a juice. I make food tasty and is good for your heart and skin. Do you like to eat me? Please comment below. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel.